Welcome to the Bright Wings Transformational Show. Everyone is on a journey in life. Your soul is here on a journey towards mastery. At some point along the way, you need to decide how you want to grow and change. Otherwise, you're simply at the mercy of whatever happens to you, rather than leading the way towards a better future for yourself and the world, let alone enjoying the present moment and feeling truly alive and joyful. Now, if you're someone who's encountered trauma or wounding somewhere along your path, part of your soul's journey towards mastery is going to include some healing work around what happened to you, while learning to balance the ordinary things each day brings with your soul's urgent call to become more, be more, accomplish what you came here to be and do. The Bright Wings Transformational Show is all about embarking on your soul's mastery and how to get you from where you are to a life of radiant and joyful living. Here's what I'll be talking about: empowerment, recovery, healing from trauma, abuse, and PTSD, how to move from survival and victimhood to living a life of radiance and wonder, what it takes for you to become the person you always wanted to be, feeling alive, connected, and happy, what it means to find elegant solutions to complex problems, how experts look at change and emerging new energies and solutions for our world. I'll be sharing tools and resources, including ways to heal and protect yourself, understanding the emerging nature of money and why this matters for our collective future, powerful natural remedies to keep yourself, your family, and your pets happy and healthy, tips and training to help get you where you want to be in life and within yourself. My name is Nancy Boyd. I'm a healer, award-winning writer, 2009 International Coach of the Year, lifelong consciousness worker, and founder of the Soul Path Academy, Soul Mastery in Conscious Evolution. I've written a book called Healing the Wanting, Making the Shift from Grasping to Gratitude, which attempts to answer the question, how can I make whole the world I see, when for me, something is missing? Some things not too many people know about me. I'm a survivor of childhood poverty and incest. I've been in recovery from alcoholism and been sober since 1976. I've learned a lot about recovery and living a sober life, and I'm trained as a flower essence therapist and life coach. I work with people who want more out of life, who want to feel more alive and connected, and who are serious about learning how to live in dignity and radiance. I've lived through many of the things I'll be talking about here, and occasionally I'll bring on other experts who can expand our thinking into new ways to see the world and live our lives. I'll be sharing videos often, and for sure, whenever there's something important happening in the world or at the Soul Path Academy that will improve the way you experience your life. Thank you for visiting. Come on in, look around, and if you like what you discover here, please subscribe and share with your friends. And do something today that makes your soul proud of you.